to call upon the one who is our Dhan, and Dhan in such abundance that not only us, to the world he has shared and he has won. The one I met 27 years ago, and we were, I think, just 20 when we started. And we made our mistakes together, we made our fun together, we did everything together. And even now, when I'm lining up a shot, he knows what is going to be taken. When he's giving a shot, I know what he's going to do. And he's everything to me and Mr. Salman Khan.
Would you like to say something, sir?
Said everything.
He has. All right, so
You can't beat this.
No, when I went to narrate this subject to Salman Bhai, very hesitantly I told him, Salman, मैं ये title रख रहा हूँ प्रेम रतन धन पायो. So nice close up of silence. And he said, सूरज कोई और डायरेक्टर होता बाहर फिकवा देता. But you, this name. So that is what he is to all of us.
27 years ago we met. I did my share of mistakes, he did not do any. And we did not do everything together. From the day we met each other, it's just a bond. And I've worked with a lot of directors, I've worked with a lot of people, but the love and the fondness and the respect that I have for Suraj, I don't think I have for anyone. And today I think that there have been lots of directors, lots of them in our film industry. I am fortunate, बोलते हैं कि इसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था, उसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था. People living, people no more. I'm happy that I worked with one person, and that is Suraj Barjatia. There is, as a director, as a human being, there is nobody better in this world than Suraj Babu. हम लोग यहाँ पे चश्मा लगा लेंगे, वो बेल्ट का स्टेप कर लेंगे, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें स्टाइल में आ जाएंगी, हेयर स्टाइल आ जाएगा. This man, when you leave the theater, he makes you a better man when you leave the theater. Not only better, much better. And that hangover lasts for the longest time. When this man directs a movie, bhai, that's license hai uske liye. When Suraj Babu directs a movie, there's so much of niceness, there's so much of purity. Because he has seen that life. When he comes to action, when he comes to the negative side of writing dialogues, he's at sea because he's not seen that side at all. So when you see his movies, he brings back our culture, our Hindustani sabhyata that we keep on losing. He keeps on, drawing us back to that. He keeps on drawing us back to our morals, to our roots. I think there is no director, no human being better than Suraj Barjatia.
that was wonderful, sir. Actually, now let's have a look at the trailer. If you could just have a seat. It would be nice. अच्छा, कास्ट अभी थोड़ी अधूरी है, मेरे को और भी लोगों को स्टेज पे बुलाना है, तो बुला लूं क्या? शुक्रिया. अनुपम जी, सर, if you could please come on stage. Neil, Nitin, Mukesh, dapper as always. And in no particular order of reference, दीपक डोबरियाल जी आ जाइए सर स्टेज पे. पप्पी जी कैसे हैं आप? स्वरा जी आप भी आ जाइए स्टेज पे. And Arman ji, I love the shoes. Please आ जाइए stage पे. This is a extremely large and good-looking cast. Now please fire away photographs. Okay, Sonam, I'm going to start things off with you before I open out to the media. Now that you're looking so fantastic, and there's such a splash of color, always, but you're looking even better than ever. Such a fantastic splash of color in the film. It looks so grand. It's almost like a happy birthday every single day when you're watching the trailer. So the entire bit of being cast in a Rajshri film, how did that work out? Was that बचपन का एक dream जो पूरा हो गया?
Suraj should actually tell you all the story of casting me. I think.
No, first you will tell us the experience of coming on board, and then of course I will redirect to Surajji. So you get the call, and then you suddenly say, "Oh my God, I'm going to be the Rajshri heroine with Salman Khan." So let's talk about that.
I think it's obviously an amazing. I'm very privileged to have been. And I think everybody in the media except for Salman knows that I've been a huge fan of his since I was like, since a really long time.
Nothing has changed other than that as well.
And nothing has changed. And he obviously doesn't read my interviews, but I've been a huge fan of his. So I was a bit nervous.
Huge, but अच्छा stress दिया.
Thanks. And so, I mean, it was a little intimidating for me to be on this set, but I was also I was very excited and nervous, and but I never felt that after the first couple of days of working with them, because Suraj sir gave me so much love, and I felt so cherished on that set that it didn't, like the whole, it was such a huge deal, but it didn't feel like it. I just felt like I belonged there. I felt like I was part of the family. So
Confirm your next one.
yeah,
So
100%.
tell me something.
Huh.
Is it very scary to lose your temper on a Suraj Barjatia set?
I don't
Because I'm sure that nobody does.
No, there's one man who's doing it.
Yeah. But he didn't lose his temper either, because I worked with him on an ad shoot. It's completely different. But I think everybody on the set is amazing, and everybody really wanted to be there. So we all really worked hard, and we were happy to be there. So it was the best experience working on the film.
Surajji, everything is so grand, it's so beautiful. Everything works at the box office, and this one will also completely, there's no question about it. But how do you maintain decorum, and how is it always the same for so many years? Salman sir said it himself, not much has changed. The way we're seeing it, not much has changed. It looks all beautiful. But is it in build? How does it happen? How do you maintain with so many people on the set? Must be 500 extras as well, dancers and everyone.
I think because being grown up only in big families, so you know how to take everyone along, and then you have to manage him. You have to wake him up. And then you have such talent. You have Anupam sir, Neil, Arman. Half the time, Swara, you're not directing them, so they do their own bit. You have to just write a good scene. But when you make a family film, it is family, and family works in huge. You have to. That's what it's all about. You know, it's whether हम लोग रामायण पाठ करते हैं, हम भागवत कथा रखते हैं, but you go out for a dinner with the family and see the joy. So it's the same prasad. So that's what all my films are, and somehow I'm able to take it along. So.
Okay, one big question the world wanted to know. That beautiful electric blue or whatever the color it was of that Sherwani was fantastic. It took everyone's imagination by storm. Did you choose that color, or there other colors that you were thinking of?
I think we chose my choreographers, my DOP.
Right.
We all chose Alvira, Ashley, and of course it took us a month to choose. But a blue shade, blue or white, blue, white, blue,
You know,
white.
I can't find that color anywhere. I've tried to looking for it. I thought I wear a really electric blue shirt. It's not possible, and you've made life very difficult for all of us, especially Salman sir. Salman sir, I have to ask you this. You saw the, I mean, I know sometimes you see stuff like when we also see it. You know, sometimes you see the trailer with us only, and that's the way it works. What was the first reaction that you had when you saw the teaser poster? Then, of course, there's another one that came with you and Sonam, that's there at the back. But it's a homecoming, yes, but there's so much So much. Sorry?
Not when he saw it, he decided.
He decided it. Just my back. So what is this? What is the deal with the teaser poster where it has to come? Why don't we see your face a lot? In Bajrangi, it was your lips and it was that locket. Here, it was your back.
See, in Maine Pyar Kiya, it was this.
He was the first one to do it, by the way.
Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Not much has changed.
So they've just shifted the camera. I'm in the same position. किसी ने सामने से तस्वीर ली, इस बार पीछे से ले ली तस्वीर.
Why change a winning combination?
Pardon?
Why change a winning combination? Huh? Just turn it
Yeah.
around. Okay.
So when we decided this teaser poster, it was supposed to be released a few days ago, like almost like weeks ago. So kahin na kahin, you know, the fans sensed that we're coming out with the teaser poster. You know, things leak. So ready nahi tha, isko ye change karo, wo change karo, and him being so particular about everything, you know, get this out, put this in, all that stuff. And then I realized कि अब इतने दिन का build-up हो गया है, 10 दिन का build-up हो गया है, जूते पड़ेंगे इसके ऊपर कि 10 दिन के बाद I said, release this, you know, don't release. But it was accepted.
Like I said, the color worked also very well, and of course, your back.
I don't think it's the
anything.
color. I think it's just the feel to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. That is working.
Anupam ji, this shoulder of baggage of acting talent that you carry with you. So when you come onto a set like this, and as Surajji said, everyone was doing their own stuff, as he so modestly put it. So coming into this zone and this fabulously grand film, you know, your thoughts. You got Salman sir there, you got Sonam, you got Neil, you got Arman, you got all these powerhouse of acting talent. So how do you experience it every day? Is it a challenging thing at all for you anymore?
To answer your first part of the question is that I don't carry the burden of being of my acting. It's the lightest weight on my shoulders. Suraj's first job was given to him by me 31 years back. He was an assistant on the sets of Saransh, and he was standing in the corner being the producer's son, and nobody was giving him work. And I was a newcomer, and I saw that I knew who I was. I said, Suraj, please मेरे कमरे में जाके मेरे dialogue की file लेकर आओ. I've never seen an eager guy to do a job. 31 years later, his eagerness has not changed at all.
Kabile tarif.
I think I personally feel that when you want to purify yourself as a person, you go and do a Rajshri film. It cleanses you not only as an actor, and you were asking whether how does he manage? There is no management. It just happens. हमारे मन में इनके लिए
Kher Saab, Alvira, my sister, went for all the narrations and the clothing and fittings and everything. She used to come back and she used to say, I have to meet Suraj every 15, 20 days.
Really?
So 15, 20 days, I'm fine with mom, I'm fine with dad, I'm fine with my husband, my children, and then I start fading out. And then I realized, no, this is not working. Where is Suraj Barjatya? I need my drug.
And every member is of his family. Everybody, Kamal Babu and Raj Babu, everybody, his wife, his sisters, everybody is like that. They have stopped making people like that. So I think, it's not the color, it's I think his heart which is in his film. That you're not listening to my answer. Hello?
Yes, sir, sorry.
Listen to my answer.
He's thinking, okay,
You listen to my next answer. You'll ask me a question, listen to my, till then
Yeah.
look at me.
I apologize, sir.
No, so it's I want to tell the media, friends from media that I finished the dubbing today. And I tweeted, and I want to retreat and say that again, that this is his masterpiece. This is Salman's best film till today, and this is Suraj's best film. And you're very lucky, my young lady, to be part of this film. You're my friend's daughter, and we are all very lucky to be part of this film, because when history of cinema will be written, Suraj Barjatia's name will be on the top of it.
High praise and well deserved. Neil, was this a meditation camp for you as well?
Well, I guess so.
Yeah?
Yes, because initially, first couple of days, I thought this was it was a set that I was just going on to, and these guys weren't real. because we're so used to, from assistant direction days to acting days, to see a set with so much chaos on it, to going on to a set where the director's so calm. So initially I thought it was all a big lie, till I realized that no, I am the lie who's come on the set, and this is the fact, this is reality. So yeah. So
That's well done.